Going for something a bit healthy for dinner tonight. What they call mint, coriander, cucumber, lettuce, iceberg lettuce, bit of rice noodle, bit of pork rib. Just boil that up, bit of salt, bit of omelette, cut into strips, and then we tie them all together with this stuff. Rice paper rolls. The water's just a bit warm, so you need, whack it in there. Take it out. Put it down here. Mint, cucumber, lettuce, bit of coriander, or not if you don't like it, bit of egg, bit of pork rib, bit of this. Same deal, it's just a bit of boiled rice noodle. See, the wrapper gets soft, fold it over. Like that. Then it's a matter of rolling it all together. There you go. Not the prettiest, but should do. There you go. Then in a pot, water, palm sugar, bit of salt, bring it to the boil, everything dissolves, whack in bit of chopped chili and garlic, mashed together, whack it in there, squeeze of lemon and a bit of peanut, good compliment.